Taking gear on a trip is synonymous with off-roading. It can be stuff for the hunt camp, it can be stuff for a camp out, or maybe just general equipment that you like to keep in the back of your rig for whenever you're out riding. But no matter what it is, you need a place to put it. And obviously the cargo box of your side-by-side is a great spot. It's big, it's got spots to tie down to, and it's built into your vehicle. But much like a pickup truck, the desire to have this vast open storage area covered is pretty high up on the list with folks that I ride with, especially in the spring and fall when it's muddy and all that earth you thought you left on the ground winds up in the cargo box, covering your gear. Or how about when it's so dusty that the fine powdery silt gets into every nook and cranny of the gear that you brought along? Over the past few seasons, I've shown you some really nice covers from a company called Jemco. And this year we're going to go one step further with a new sport utility cover for the Polaris General 2 and 4 seaters. The Jemco Roto Kap is a one-fits-all design working on General units from 2016 to current. It's a roto-molded, low-density polyethylene box cap that fits securely in place on top of your General box. And the best part about the Roto Kap is the ability to still tilt, still use the tailgate, and also carry some impressively large items. Similar to the Ranger Roto Kap, the General Roto Kap has hydraulic struts to help assist in lifting the lid. It also has secure latching hardware on the side, and the nice part about them is that they're lockable, so when you walk away, you know that your stuff is secure. Now back to that impressive capabilities. The height of the General Roto Kap is such that it actually allows you to slide in a standard height cooler or a 5-gallon pail to be slid underneath the cap and still be closed. This is some serious carrying capacity. Attachment to your General box is simple. It uses 4 expansion plugs that fit quick and also provide an extremely secure fit once tightened down. Jemco trusts the mounts and the cap so much that they even allow for 250 pounds of gear to be stacked on top of the cap and tied down with the built-in attachment points. With this much load carrying capacity on top of the box and the massive cavernous space it creates below, you're covered no matter what kind of gear you want to take along. Be it an overnight camping trip with the kids or a week spent at the hunt camp, this cargo cover offers you versatility, rugged dependability, and a stylish design that truly meshes with your Polaris General's already excellent good looks. So can you tell that I'm a fan of cargo covers? I mean, honestly, why wouldn't you want to keep stuff clean, secure, and dry in the back of your side-by-side? It just makes sense. Now you might say, what if I need to haul out a tree or load up firewood or even carry out a deer? Another great feature about these Jemco cargo covers by Roto Kap are the ability to install or likewise remove in only a matter of minutes, should you need to load up a freshly cut tree or haul topsoil for your yard. The Polaris General is a pretty hugely popular side-by-side because of its sport utility focus and the ability to tilt the rear box. But Jemco doesn't just make products for the General, they make all kinds of boxes as well as covers for other vehicles as well, with a whole lot more to come. With Roto Kap covers for the Polaris Ranger and General currently available, the lineup will expand to Can-Am Defender in the near future. When it comes to Jemco cargo boxes, the Polaris Pro XP, Polaris RS1, as well as the Can-Am Maverick X3 and Kawasaki KRX options are currently in the works and will be available soon. Whether you're a sports side-by-side rider blasting sand on the weekend or a utility user who's using your side-by-side to haul gear to and from the camp or farm, watertight storage is important to all of us, and the truth is, you never can have too much of it.